Welcome to stockmarketfunding.com. We do have a Nasdaq 60-minute chart that we would like to share with you and whatnot, and where rallies have started. Okay, so basically the rally started over here, and the buy signal on the index started to ascend, going up in value, and that provided that rally. But we topped out up here. One of the things I want you to know is that on a 60-minute chart for short-term pullbacks and reversals is that if I look at the peak of that bar, we were 92% DS. Some people could call it percent K or whatever, but I'm not going to go into the definition in the terms of it. It was overbought. We pulled back to where it was viable here at 34% DS, and we went into a sell signal, meaning that when we started to descend in that MACD, that's where we got this pullback right here. And we put in a bottom here, but once we started to go that way in this indicator again, and the green line was breaking higher, that's where we got these breakouts. Today's gap, Nasdaq gap, very bullish, meaning that there was no sell through and coming back down and filling it in here. So as we've increased, what I am going to measure here, folks, is to find out just how overbought we are. Oh, that's scary. 92.74% overbought. Overbought here was 92% on 727. So it looks like we're starting to get up here a little bit at 92.74 right here. Now, what it means on a 60-minute only now is that you get overbought, you pull back, but you're making, we're going to see if we can take out the highs here on 727 tomorrow. Now, that's a 60-minute. The bullish thing about the weekly chart is that we are running into a wall of resistance at the 20-week moving average. And here it is. And basically last time we got to this red line, which is at 20 week, we had a nice little correction again, and we made another lower low before we got this ascending weekly breakout. We're above all the other key moving averages. One of the things that I would be cautious about moving forward is this right here, is that all of your moving averages right here, you got your 200 week, you got your 50 week, you got your 10 week down here. That's always that lower support level here. So when we have that engulfing weekly bar breakout there on the Nasdaq comp, we held half of that SMF weekly bar, and we have a analyzer that analyzes it for us. It's a mathematical system that SMF owns and operates. One of the things that we have is a tilted 20 week into resistance. We also had that though on the S&P 500, and it kind of got up above it. So on the weekly, that's some near-term resistance there at that red line at the 20 week. Very bullish move for the summer rally. Bam, bam, weekly moves, breakouts, but that's the wall of resistance. Got to get above it.